So what we now have is a user interface where we have messages here. It's a small calendar. It's of course for demo purposes. Here RSS feeds. We have common information here on blood pressure and so on. This is ICD-10 code. We have a RSS feed from Access to actually fill this medical data. At the Zorgcentrale we would have webcam communication. I would like to have just plain Skype here. I will show you in the next interface. And we have the healthcare files. We would have your personal data, and this is rather interesting because here I would like to have, it's not working at the moment as you can see here, but here I would like to have my own information, my age, my date of birth and so on, but also whom am I married to, who are my children, are these children from the same parents, who are my own parents, and so on. So we would have some more data on this. Here you would have your diary. This is a more used tool, I guess. Your medication is not filled at the moment. Digital doctor we would not use at the moment. My conditions here we would have BMI for instance. We have the tool ready here, but it's built in Flex. We would have to rebuild this, but you could try and use it. And we have growth curve here for children, and this is rather interesting, I guess. These two I would like to have at the moment. They work, but they would have to be rebuilt. And blood pressure, for instance. And I think that's about it for the moment. Then I will show you the next user interface. So here you see the next user interface which Jorn has actually built. You see buttons on the right side. I think this is better for most user interfaces. Now you can actually use a USB phone to hang on the left hand side. Here you see the normal blood pressure, which is being built a bit easier. And here Jorn has built a video communication just by using Skype and the Skype buttons. It's rather simple, but it works, and that's about it. Jorn has built RSS feeds here. He used some different feeds. But this looks a bit more sophisticated. Of course, these buttons need to be built as from scratch as they need to be, and I think each company should be able to use their own logo and use his own colors.